Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to stream real-time trading pair data from Aerodrome DEX using Bitquery's Crypto Price API. This is perfect for building trading bots, live dashboards, or price monitoring tools. I will add the API link in the description below, so make sure to test it. So what exactly does this subscription do? It gives you real-time updates for all trading pairs on Aerodrome with a 1-second interval. For each pair, you'll get token information, name, symbol, and address, complete OHLC data, that's open, high, low, and close prices, multiple moving averages, exponential, simple, and weighted, volume data for both base and quote tokens. And all prices are quoted in USD for easy tracking. This data streams continuously, updating every second, so you're always working with the freshest market data. Let me break down the query structure for you. First, we're using a GraphQL subscription, not a query. This means the data streams in real time rather than giving you a one-time response. Now, the important filters in the where clause. We've set duration to equal 1, that's 1 second. This means you get price updates every single second. You can change this to 3, 5, 10, 30, 60 seconds or longer intervals depending on your needs. Is quoted in USD set to true? This ensures all prices are converted to USD, making it super easy to compare across different pairs. Protocol family, Aerodrome. This limits results to only Aerodrome DEX. The response structure gives you 3 main sections, full details about both tokens in the pair, so you know exactly what's being traded. This is the good stuff. You get OHLC candles perfect for charting, plus 3 types of moving averages already calculated for you. No need to compute them yourself. Bitquery does it automatically. Both base and quote token volumes, so you can track trading activity and liquidity. Start and end times for each data point, making it easy to sync with your charts or databases. And that's it! You now know how to stream real-time Aerodrome trading data with Bitquery, which gives you real-time prices, OHLC, and volume data of different pairs trading on Aerodrome DEX. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more blockchain API tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below.